Meaning of grizzly.
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 Grizzly. Grizzly can refer to two different things. Firstly, it's an adjective that describes something grayish or having a speckled gray appearance, particularly relating to bears, which have thick fur with silver-tipped hairs. Secondly, it's a type of bear native to North America, specifically Alaska and Western Canada. These bears are known for their massive size, aggressive temperament, and distinct hump on their upper back. Grizzly bears are also apex predators and play an essential role in their ecosystem by controlling prey populations. In short, grizzly means grayish and refers to a type of bear found in North America.